Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, we show you guys how to attach image on Ask Gemini on Google Chrome. So as we know, when we open the Ask Gemini, we couldn't add any file on it. So even if image, Ask Gemini couldn't read image directly, you upload on here. So what you have to do, instead of upload your image on here, you download your image, any image you want, go to your folder, and then for instance this image, open this image into your Google Chrome. Okay, like simply like that. Okay, now I already opened my image on Google Chrome. So now I could ask Gemini regarding this image. So see, I have this Ask Gemini reading the page of here. I can refactor the image or anything. For instance, I will ask Gemini, tell me what you see. As simple as that, to make sure that Gemini knows this image. After that, after you understand, after the Gemini already fully understand what your image, you can do like refactor or edit your image using this Ask Gemini, because the Nano Banana is supposed to be already integrated to this Ask Gemini feature. So that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.